Okay guys, today it's a very special day. Why? Because we have one step closer to get this project finished and get it done and running on the road. So in the previous video, you guys saw it. We did the calipers, the brakes and everything. So now everything looks nice and fresh. We still have, yes, the exhaust, but after this video, the next step, it's either the exhaust or either the rims. We'll see which one go first. But yeah, just wanted to go around and just show you real quick, you know, all the brake calipers, because they look fresh. I'm not gonna lie. So now for the agenda is we're gonna do the next best thing. The next best thing is to carbon fiber-ish this BMW. And now you guys are thinking like, what is this guy talking about? You know what I mean? Well, carbon fiber-ish is not really a carbon fiber, but it's kind of fiber look. You know, kind of like, you know, like this handle here. It looks fresh, doesn't it? Doesn't it? I don't know if you guys can see it, but it looks fresh. So the thing that I'm talking about, and you guys saw the thumbnail, I'm not gonna lie. So let me show you. Boom! This is what we have. So let's start from the front. For the front, we have a carbon fiber-ish because it's a carbon fiber look front lid. Look at that. Looks pretty dope. Okay, then moving forward. Moving forward, we have the two mirror caps. Again, carbon fiber-ish, but come on. Tell me that this doesn't look nice and fresh. Okay, next one is the side skirt. So this, again, it's just a regular plastic, it's not a carbon fiber, but it's gonna have this carbon fiber look, you know, for the side skirts. Coming on this side, this is the other one as well. Oh yeah. Okay, now going to the back. This is where, you know, the piece that we're waiting for, so we can actually do the exhaust. So again, this is a pretty good carbon fiber-ish rear. I believe it's called diffuser. Correct me if I'm wrong down in the comments, but yeah. So rear carbon fiber diffuser. And yeah, for the very end, you guys can see it. It's a carbon fiber-ish. Carbon fiber-ish, I'm not gonna lie. This is gonna be the new trend. Carbon fiber-ish, you know? Carbon fiber-ish rear spoiler, or a wing, or however you guys wanna call it. A bench, a back bench, fruity table, I don't know. But look at it. Ooh-wee. It is so big. Can't even explain it, guys. So, yeah. This is, I think, this is gonna look pretty good. So, let's see how we can fit everything as fast as you can. Because I can't wait. I really can't wait to see it. Because I was waiting, you know, for over a year to do that. I was having these parts here sitting and waiting, and then the move, you know, happened and everything. And right now I'm in a new place, new house, and all of that stuff. So yeah, I will see. I will make maybe a house tour in some point, you know, just for the memories, you know, you never know. So now let's start from the easiest part, and my guess it will be the side skirts. So let's do it.
Okay, so make sure first foremost you guys use longer screws, because the one that came with the kit, well, let's say they're like somewhere there. So I have to go to the local store and get some screws. I've got 1.5 inches, I believe, for the screw. Those, yeah, 1.5 inches should be plenty enough, basically. So yeah, and then make sure when you guys are screwing them up, you know, make sure there's nothing, you know, that's pinched, even that, you know, shouldn't have anything pinched. And then when you guys are screwing them up, you know, you guys can see right now, make sure it's tucked in underneath the vehicle and not sticking out. And then when it's tucked in underneath the vehicle, make sure it's aligning the front and the back, you know, because you don't want to install anything crooked. You know, doesn't matter if it's going to be underneath the car, doesn't matter if, you know, you're going to only see maybe 1 inch out of it. You know, again, just, you know, make sure you're doing it right. Let's put it that way. Because my first install, it wasn't working, so I have to, you know, take it down. And then on the second install, everything works just fine.
Okay guys, what do you guys think? One, it's done, and one more to go. I think I like it. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. Okay guys, and the power of magic, Boom! And there you go, guys. It is all good. And it's installed and everything. Boom. Okay. So now we're gonna do the next thing is gonna be the front lip. Because I bet you guys are waiting for it. You know, especially with this front, the M style bumper.
Yeah, yeah.
Too bad you guys don't like this. It's pretty good. So let's grab the lip and let's do it.
Okay, and for the front lip, you know, I ended up bringing the entire team, which is my pregnant wife and my little son. I need every single hand on the deck just so we can be able to get the front lip installed the right way. Yeah, you know, because this is like the center point of the car, and you don't want that to be crooked, loose, or anything like that. So yeah, we got it right, if you guys can tell.
Okay guys, so we got the front bumper, the front lip. What do you guys think? I think looks pretty good. You guys see the hood and the lip all together? Yeah, buddy. Let's look at it. Oh, perfect. Okay, now we're going for the back. Actually, let's do something real quick. Because it's easy. Why not? These two guys right there. Let's do them.
Okay, so with the mirror caps, make sure first you install the bottom left side, then squeeze on the top and on the right. So basically everything that you guys see here, it's so wrong.
Boom.
So wrong. Like, I have no words to do it. I believe after recording all of that, I figured it out. That yeah, right there, you guys can see bottom right corner is still sticking out no matter how hard I'm squeezing. So make sure that's the first corner.
Boom. Okay guys, so boom. What do you guys think? So front lip, check. Hood, check. Side skirt, check. Mirrors, boom. Check. Now we're coming to the last two pieces. So we need to get the rear diffuser and the rear wing. So let's do it.
Okay, so right here, make sure you guys put enough silicone, because obviously we don't want to lose that piece. This is the centerpiece on the back of your car. Yeah, centerpiece of the back of your car. And here really sucked that, you know, my camera had something happen and I couldn't record the entire installation. You guys obviously can see just blue tape, and that should be good enough.
Okay guys, so I hope it makes sense, but unfortunately when I was recording the second part, as you guys saw it, you know, it just got deleted. But basically, you know, we put some silicone and then we've got some 2 screws on the bottom right in there. Boom boom. We have the tape to hold it. Hopefully in the next 24 hours the glue is gonna get set, and and then it's gonna be good to go. Then it's gonna be the exhaust. Yeah. Which is right there. You guys can see it. Yeah, brand new and shiny. But yeah, I talked with the exhaust, the muffler guys, the shop that's gonna do the job. They told me make sure everything gets secure and installed, because when we center the exhaust, there's, you know, no more movement. So that's what I'm doing, everything, and then the exhaust is gonna be on the very end. So yeah. And now the last thing is gonna be the wing. So let me bring that real quick and see how it looks.
Okay, so right now I had to clean the back because it was all dusty and stuff. But after cleaning the entire back, you know, then the fun part begins. Measuring. You know, we have this word saying, you know, measure 3 times, cut once. So yeah, basically this is what we're gonna do here, because there is no coming back. Let me put it clear enough for you guys. If you end up drilling a hole to the back of your trunk, yeah, that hole is gonna be there to stay. So sorry to break it to you, but if you drill your hole, there is no coming back. I mean, obviously you can do a filler, you know, body and this and that and cover it up, but you know, it's not gonna be the same. Let's put it that way, you know. So have to measure, make sure that I'm getting the same exact measurements from the curvy end of the car. Like, I'm telling you, this is like kind of ridiculous, but you know, just eyeballing it and then measuring from the middle of the antenna to the edge and back and forward, you know, everything that I could have, you know, measured 3, 4, 5 times. And then on the end, with everything is said and done, you know, again, put some tape, blue tape on tape on blue tape on tape and tape, just to make sure that doesn't move, because again, if we drill a hole on the back of the car, the hole is there to stay. So make sure everything is there, you know what I mean? So yeah, after taping everything, the fun part begins.
Okay guys, well, after a lot of measurements going back and forward and, you know, taping and remeasuring and everything, I mean, there's not really a straight edge where you guys can measure it. Can measure center, I guess, here to here or here to here and see if you can compare it. But yeah, it's crossing my fingers, let's put it that way. Let me show you on the inside. Inside, I should hit one here and one roughly around here. It's gonna be closer, seems like, to the wire, but yeah. And then this other side is going to be, yeah, kind of same deal right here. So one here and then one somewhere around here. So yeah, that will be interesting. So let's do it.
Okay, let's the fun begin. Make sure, you guys, when you drill into the back of your trunk, there is no wires on the bottom. There is nothing important, no antenna wires or anything like that. No any, you know, 12 volt, anything. Just make sure you're clear. And then I use this box right there, so when I'm drilling, there is no metal shavings dropping into the trunk.
Okay guys, so the holes are done. It's not coming back from that point. Hopefully everything's where it's supposed to be.
And now, you know, for cleaning and removing the blue tape, make sure there is no metal shavings or anything when you guys are pulling the blue tape, because obviously this is a vinyl wrap and we don't want to scratch it or damage it.
Okay, let's see if the bolts are long enough.
And for these screws, yeah, it was a tricky game, not gonna lie.
Barely. Okay, so let me show you. So we've got them kind of secured. They're not really tight, only because we know we need to align them, but let me show you on the inside. Okay, boom, there you go. So I was worried about this wire right here. Yeah, that wouldn't be no good if we hit it, but actually ended up in a pretty good location. Boom, boom. And then this guy right here, same deal. Boom, boom. And you guys can see I need to tighten this guy a little bit more, but yeah, we're getting closer, guys, getting closer. Okay, now we need to put top piece. Oh, let's see how it's gonna go.
Okay guys, let's put the final piece in place. Woo! What do you guys think? I think looks pretty good. After installing all those pieces, all of them needs to be ceramic coated, because this is carbon fiber amber-ish, and yeah, it needs to be ceramic coated or else it's gonna get chips. So
okay guys, finally is done. Oh, what do you guys think? Everything is secure, no really movement. Now this car is officially carbon fiber-ish. Oh yeah. So got the bolts right here, everything is tight on this side as well. This is legit, just look at it. Now when we open the hood, the trunk I mean. Boom. Have the bolts. Boom, boom. This side as well. Boom, boom. And now when we close it, no rattling, no wobbling, no nothing. It's solid. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Okay guys, so this is gonna dry. As soon as when that one dries up, tomorrow I'm gonna wash this car and see, I wash the trunk and of course the entire car, but you know, I wanna see if we're gonna get any leaks here, and if we don't get any leaks, we're golden. Perfect. So let me know down in the comments what you guys think. We have the spoiler, the rear, I believe it's diffuser, side skirts, boom boom boom, and the amazing front lip. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next one.
Bye.